Hi everybody, I'm Jim Shore. Today we're once again at my studio here that's kind of attached to my house here in South Carolina. Now, what I want to do is I want to sort of ask you a question, and it has to do with little projects that I do from time to time, and let me show you what they look like. These are paintings that I've done real quick, real simple, just to make little vignettes for the kitchen, or groupings of these very folk art style, paintings. It takes about it took me about 45 minutes each to do these things, and that includes the frame. They're made on illustration board, lath frames, and there's the painting technique is kind of a step by step, and these are two of many that I've done, but they make great little gifts, or things to hang around in your, if you have, even in a modern setting, these things work well because of the fact that they're crisp folk art pieces. And there's other subjects. Now I've taken some of them, and I've done some of our calendar art. This is one of them. Same type of things. This is another one that I used as calendar art. And there's a lot of them like that. So I use them for all kinds of stuff. But here's my question. I'm considering, doing maybe a tutorial of how I do this, and you could, follow along step by step. And in a short order, you could come up with some really nice, well done, well executed pieces of artwork. And I can guarantee you that anybody can do this if they follow my step by step, if you're interested. And that's the question I'm asking. Would you be interested in seeing a series of projects like this, where we do pieces like this? We could do folk art cows, we could do pigs, we could do roosters, we could do lighthouses, we could do any subject that you want to see done in this kind of styling. So it's the painting itself and the frame incorporated, all ready to go in just a very short period of time. A nice way to spend the afternoon, nice thing to do with the kids, if you're interested. So let me know. If I get a good enough response, then I will set about to make that a project, and we'll get that on air, social media, or whatever. I don't know, YouTube, or I leave that to the rest of the staff. But anyway, we'll get that to you, and we'll get it started if you're interested. So let me know. Comment on this or whatever to let me know just how enthusiastic any of you all are over pursuing something like this. Good enough response, and we'll do it. Till then, be safe, be good. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.